Hey friends, hey, it's your girl Miss Pinky 313, and guess what? I got an unboxing. Yes, look what came in. Yes, my Gamer Advantage glasses came in, y'all. Ooh, I can't wait to put these on. Oh my goodness, long time coming. Look at this. It's so nice. Look at the box. It's so nice. Thank you so much, everybody over at Gamer Advantage, because you know your girl's partner now. Yes. So I wanted to do this unboxing for my glasses. Like I said, they just came in the other day, and I said, let me go ahead and show my Pink Squad friends what I got. So first off, let me show you what's on top of this joint. I didn't see what was in it already. Only thing I did was just pop the lid. So let me show y'all. Look at that. So we got some there you go, some stats right there on the box, as you can see. Yes. You got some stickers, like stickers, and some cards with like codes and stuff to get a certain percentage off. So it looks like here one of the surveys here, well not surveys but tests, I guess you could say, it says here, of more than 2,000 patients in a clinical survey 99.1% reported eyes more relaxed indoors. I need that. Another one says, in a clinical trial, let's say melatonin levels increased by 96% in just 5 days. I need that. And then the last one, it says, in a clinical survey of more than 2,000 patients, 98.2% reported significant sleep improvement. I need that. So yes, this is for me. This is definitely for me. So yeah, I got a code here for 20% off on my next order for Gamer Advantage, and it's the code here. I don't know if it's a universal code, so I'm gonna keep that for myself. And then eye candy. I love eye candy. They sent me, which I'm going to show you what I have too as well, when I went out there. I'm pretty sure you guys seen the vlog. If you haven't, go check it out. It's on the channel here on Facebook Gaming. Make sure you check it out. But I really like the eye candy vitamins. So if I subscribe, I save 10% off on that subscription. And so yeah, just let me know, like protection. Oop, there you go. Inside and out there, as you can see, basically what's in the kit there. So that's that. Ooh, okay. World's most delicious gaming drinks. Rogue, hydration, shake, energy, and extreme. Oh, so I got a promo code for that. I may check it out for science. I might have to check it out for science. So got that. Rogue. Okay. I think I've heard of them before. Yeah, I think I've heard of them before. So yeah, I got a code for that. I got a promo code for that. I'll keep this for myself. And I got a sticker. Y'all know I love my stickers. They gave me a Gamer Advantage sticker. So with my goodie bag, when I went doing my vlog, when I got the chance to meet the whole team. Shout out to the whole team over there. Hey friends. They gave me some stickers, so I already put one on my computer. I think I might put this on my tablet, and then the other one I always save a sticker just in case. So let me go ahead and pop this open. If I don't want to tear nothing up. Lord. Okay. Oh, this is a stand. Oh, this is what that. Oh, let me see if I can pop it out. Oh. I hope I didn't need to use this phone for nothing, because I didn't tow it up now. Let me set that right there. Look at that. I got a stand for my glasses. Look at that. Oh, that's so dope. Or controller. Stand for glasses controller. Is this for my controller? Let me see. Can I put it there? No, not for my controller, so it's definitely for my glasses. It's not gonna fit there. It's fine. It's okay. So let me, okay. So I have a cleaner cloth for my glasses. See that? Gamer Advantage. So I got me a cleaning cloth. Also, I have the lens cleaner, premium lens and screen cleaner. So yes, they did tell me, Joel there did tell me that the cleaner I can also use not only for my lenses but for like my screens and my tablets and my phone screens. So a 2-in-1, you can't beat that. So let me show you that. So that's nice. Okay, let me set that there. Okay, so I have my glasses holder. I've never seen a holder like this. Okay, so it folds up really nice and neat, especially like in my purse or something like that. Just slide it up in there. I have my glasses on my face, or like especially like if I go to like gaming events and stuff and I wear just like my regular glasses, I can, you know, swap them out, put them in here or something. So that's nice. Okay, I like that. So let me see here. My glasses. So let me pop this out here. Phone going off. Pew pew. Pop this out real quick. Oh yes. Oh yes. Yes, yes, yes. My lens. And it's my prescription in here. Oh, I'm so happy about that. Oh, look at that. I can see. Oh, look at it, y'all. Oh, this is so dope. Thank you. I can see. I mean, I can see one of my glasses, but you know, when you freshly put your new glasses on, and then it's a whole new world, a whole new world. Don't give me the sand. All right, and then I got the my sunglasses too. So this is magnetic. I can just look at your girl looking nice. Okay. Yes. Thank you, Gamer Advantage. This is so awesome. I love this. Thank you so much, y'all. This is so dope. So let me put, actually, where is that case? So I can kind of show you guys how I fit in the case here. Everything fits right in there. So let me actually fold this up here. I will put these on top of here and put them in a case so you can see. Make sure they're in there just nice and neat. Okay. Look at that. Oh, and it's nice, safe. That's so dope. So thank you, Gamer Advantage, for taking care of me. I appreciate it. And thank you so much for taking care of my community too, as well, Pink Squad friends. So I'll be having a link in the description, y'all, so you can get you a pair of glasses and some eye candy as well. Let me show you too before we go what I got in my little goodie bag here when I was there. So they gave me cleaning cloth again. You see it? Okay, and then I already started on one already, but I got 2 eye candies. I really want y'all to get some eye candy. Like, I've been taking these, I already can see improvement. Like, since I've gotten the eye candy, I think it's been about maybe a week, almost and a half, a week and a half. I can see improvement. So get you some eye candy. So I got that. And I also have fog away anti-fog spray, and I can use that for any device, in my glasses too, especially like when we wearing our mask and stuff. That helps a lot, a whole lot. And some lens cleaner. Got some more lens cleaner. So yeah, Gamer Advantage. Everybody over there been taking care of me. So be on the lookout for a lot of projects between the two of us. So it'll be coming in the new year. So be waiting on want. Yes. So thank you again so much, Gamer Advantage, for giving me this opportunity. I really, really appreciate it. Thank you so much. It's been a long time coming, as I said before. I'm very excited, very, very excited for the content and the connections that we'll be making in the future. And yeah, thank you so much, guys, for watching my Gamer Advantage glassing unboxing. I really appreciate it, and I'll see y'all later. Bye, friends.